Azure offers three types of SQL deployment options, namely SQL Databases, SQL Managed Instances, and SQL Virtual Machines. So, how to decide out of these options to fit for your business or solution requirements? Let's look at the features in detail. The SQL Databases option is a fully managed running as a hosted service in PaaS instance. As we know, the PaaS is built on standardized hardware and software that is owned, hosted, and managed by Microsoft. The best part is it comes with inbuilt capabilities like auto scaling, 99.99% of availability, backup, and restore. And so, Microsoft takes care of everything, hence less administration may be required from consumers. It offers up to 100 terabyte of storage for a single database. Next, let's look at the features of SQL managed instances. It's a kind of a standard SQL version what we use in on-premises. As it runs on PaaS infrastructure, so it comes with inbuilt support for autoscale, high availability, and backup features like SQL databases. It is an instance that can hold up to 100 databases and you can cross querying between them directly. It does support running the SQL jobs. It gives 8 terabyte as maximum instance reserve storage. It offers bring your own hybrid licensing for your on-premise product and discounted pricing for dev test environments. It can be connected through private IP address within Azure VNet. Finally, let's look at the features of SQL Virtual Machines. SQL Virtual Machine Instance is an infrastructure as a service cloud model. With this option, you can get full control on the VM, underlying OS, and attached storage. It supports SQL job agents and allows bring your own license versions of the VM images. Offers up to 256 terabyte of storage. It may require high administration basically for configuring, hosting, and managing a database. However, it is optimized for migrating on-premise applications to Azure hybrid deployments. The decision on choosing SQL option clearly depends on number of factors. With consideration of all the features discussed over this video, you should also find answer to a key question like, do you want to manage your database, apply patches, and take backups, or do you want to delegate these operations to Azure? Answer to the question should be a key driver to your decision. And finally, here are some key factors to think about when choosing a SQL option. The SQL Databases option is best for modern cloud applications. And also you should consider this option if application requires latest stable SQL features and advanced cloud offerings. And also this option should be considered when the organization is already familiar with platform as a service model. The SQL managed instances option is best for most migrations to the cloud for lift and shift with 100% migration compatibility. If application requires multi-database mode with cross-querying feature, and also if the application wants to enable SQL jobs, then this option should be considered. And also when organization thinks time to cloud and market, SQL Virtual Machines option is best for migrations and applications requiring OS level access. This option should be considered when organization think time to cloud and also to simulate an as-is environment. This option should be a easier and quicker migration approach compared to other SQL deployment options. As a final note, please do remember that a detailed fitment analysis should be done before finalizing any option in order to consider other NFRs like data security, performance, and so. I hope this video would help you to make a more informed decision on which option to choose. For our reference, I have listed down all the MSDN links related to the SQL options in the below description. Please have a look for more details. Thanks for watching. If you find this video is helpful, then please like the video and share your comments. Bye for now.